It's Repairs and Hobbies, and how you guys doing today? And we're going to do a couple things here with the iMac. First, we're going to do a color change in a folder. Here's the folder right here, okay? And we're going to go right click. We're going to go down to colors, and you see all these colors here? You can change it any color you want. So it's green now. We're going to make it red, okay? So there it is, red. And red represents a medical file. Okay, so that's how I go by it. Then we go back to green, and green represents like money, we'll say. You see how you get these two dots here? Red, green. Okay, we'll just right click again, go down here and uncheck it, and it'll take that dot away. So blue file is, we'll change it to blue, and that could represent stuff you need to do. Okay, and that's how you do that, okay? And let's go uncheck that so it stays blue. We'll keep it blue. Goes back to green. We'll keep it blue. And we'll uncheck green. So now it's a blue file again. Now to put this image, this is going to be fast food restaurant image, okay, and you could do it for any category: food, restaurants, materials, anything like that. You want to identify this file by looking at the picture. So what we do is we go right click, open, we open the image, and then we go to our keyboard. In our keyboard we go the same Command C, and do it at the same time. So Command C, okay, so we got Command C, then we close it, then we go right click on Get Info, and then we click in here, right click, like that. See how it outlines it? And then we go Command V, okay? You see how I put the image on the folder? Let's drop this in here. See how we put the image on the folder? So that, and then you can name this by clicking on it, clicking on the outside green here, and we'll say fast food. We spell it right. And there you go. So for this, all you have to do is open it. You open the folder, and I usually put the picture inside the folder. So you open the image, go open, Command C on your keyboard, okay. Close the image up here. Go to the outer folder, and then go to Get Info, and then you click inside here, and then you go Command V, and that's on an iMac, and that's how you do a image on a folder. I hope this helps you. I'll try to put the instructions down below, and I hope you have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up, and share. See you in the next video. Bye for now.